In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Copy Trading. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a lead trader, set your risk controls, and let the app mirror their trades automatically, all in a clear, step-by-step way. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in on the official app and that your account is fully set up so everything loads correctly once we start. Keep in mind, copy trading is a feature that may be subject to local regulations. If you don't see it later, it might not be available in your region. Next, fund your account. Deposit or buy crypto such as USDT, since you'll need a balance to participate in copy trading. Even a small amount works to start. The key is having funds ready so the system can execute trades on your behalf. Now go to the copy trading section. From the home screen, tap Trade, then tap Copy Trading. This brings you to the area where you can browse lead traders and review their performance. When choosing a trader, take a moment to assess a few important metrics. Profit, often shown as ROI, tells you how their returns have looked over time, but remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. The win rate shows how often their trades close in profit, which is useful, but look at the broader picture. How they manage losing streaks matters too. The risk level gives you a quick read on how aggressive their strategy might be. Higher risk can mean bigger swings. And the trading history helps you understand consistency, how long they've been active, how they handle volatility, and whether their results come from a few big wins or steady performance. When you find someone you like, tap Copy to open the trader's profile. Sometimes, users can't continue from here due to the terms of use and local compliance rules. If the feature isn't allowed in your region, you'll see a notice and won't be able to proceed. If it is allowed, go ahead and set your copy parameters. Enter the amount you want to invest. Choose between fixed amount, which uses a set amount per trade, or fixed ratio, which scales your trade size relative to the trader's size. Then set your stop loss to limit potential downside and define your maximum investment so you never allocate more than you're comfortable with. Finally, tap Confirm. From this point, trades will copy automatically according to the settings you chose. That's it. Simple, structured, and designed to help you participate while keeping control over your risk.